Hi everyone, welcome back to Westside Creation. In today's video, I will show you how to make a simple leather pouch. Let's get started. So the measurement for this pouch is 9 by 15. This is a big one, 9 by 15. Then the inner pocket 4 by 6. Then we have the handle 2 by 6.5. We have our plaster, zip head, zip clothes, and our lining. So I'll start by using my pancake scissors to cut the sides of to design it. Then I'll fold the upper part by half an inch to the lining. I've already marked out where it will be. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and attach it to my lining. The inner pocket, I'll attach it to my lining, just as I'm doing now. So when sewing your pocket, make sure it is positioned at the middle part of your lining. You can use your tape rule to measure it. Make sure it's at the middle part. And you sew it. So after sewing, I went ahead to sew the handle part. You take it half inch on both sides and you sew it round. So if you have watched up to this part and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Thank you. To my new subscribers, I say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning to watch my video, for supporting my channel. And to you who subscribe later, thank you. So after sewing the pocket to the lining, this is what we have. So you sew it round on your leather, just like I'm doing now. So if you have an upcoming event, you can consider presenting this to your guests. All you have to do is to customize your design on it. And if you want me to make this in bulk for you, you can reach out to me. My number is displayed in the description. Thank you. So after sewing it round, this is how it will be. So I went ahead to use my scissors, my pancake scissors, to give it that design at the sides of the material. So after trimming it out, this is how it will be. So first I want to attach my plaster. You get the midpoint of both sides of the material. Fold your material into two to get the midpoint. Do the same for the other part. Then you attach your plaster. So after sewing it, this is how it will look like. So you sew your zip close to the leather material. After sewing, you top stitch it and sew the other part to the bag itself. Make sure you attach your zip head to the material before sewing it to the other part. So after sewing, I'll attach my handle and close both sides of the pouch. Thanks for watching Westside Creation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more DIY projects. See you in the next video. Bye.